Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't get locked out. Make sure your phone is unlocked, connected, and you know the account password. Also locate any recovery codes or backup email. Now open the app or the account security settings where two-step verification lives. This is where changes are authorized. Once you're on the security page, look specifically for two-step, 2FA or two-factor options. Tap it to view current methods and the option to disable them. You now remove each active verification method carefully. First, identify whether SMS, an authenticator app, or a physical security key is listed. Then revoke methods one at a time. Tap SMS and remove the phone number, open Authenticator and unlink the account. Disconnect any security key. During removal, you may be prompted to re-enter your password or a current code. Complete those steps to prove it's you. Once done, the account will allow the final toggle to turn two-step off. You finish by toggling two-step verification off and confirming the choice when prompted. The service will usually ask for your password one last time to finalize the change. Make sure to save any new recovery codes and update a backup email or number so you can regain access later. If something goes wrong, say you no longer have the authenticator or phone, use a saved backup code or the account recovery flow. If that fails, contact support and provide identity verification documents as required.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.